Chantelle Davis Williams, and I am a web technology student at Durham Technical Community College. Today I will be exploring Windows 8, discussing some of its features and available applications. Windows 8 is the latest incarnation of the Windows operating system. It was released to the public by Microsoft in 2012. It brings many design changes, including the user's interactions with the operating system. Windows 8 introduces a touch-optimized graphic user interface, online service integration with the ability to sync between devices, and improved security features. It also introduces the Windows Store to the PC, along with a new suite of applications available for download and designed with an emphasis on touchscreen input. Even though this version of Windows introduces many new features and many updated ones, a new feature that captured my interest is the Windows 8 Charms bar. The Charms bar is a feature of Windows 8 and acts in many ways as the toolbar did in previous versions of Windows. It allows the user to perform the basic actions needed to use Windows 8. This is a significant visual change from previous versions of Windows, but much of the functionality is the same. The Windows 8 Charms bar is important because it provides an interface between the Metro or touch-friendly experience and the desktop experience. The major difference is that many of the charms are context sensitive, meaning that they may change based on the application that is being used. It doesn't take up screen space because it's hidden unless invoked, but it gives quick access to important system-level features. One disadvantage is that it can be difficult to access or can be accessed accidentally with a mouse. This is really only a disadvantage on any non-touch enabled device because the Charms bar can be accessed with a swipe on tablets and portable devices. The Charms bar is accessed by dragging the mouse to either the top or bottom right corner of the screen, or pressing the Windows key plus C and it will pop out on the right side. It combines the search, share, start, device, and settings functions into one location. The search charm, which looks like a magnifying glass, allows the user to look for files, web pages, settings, and information contained in applications. A user can use it to search system-wide, or if using an individual application, it can be used to search within that app. For example, if using the Windows Store and starting a search, the search results will only come from within the Windows Store. The share charm is used to share content via any application that has sharing functionality. An example of sharing would be sharing a web page from Internet Explorer using email. The Start charm toggles between the Start screen and any previously viewed screen, such as the desktop, an application, or PC settings. It works the same as the Windows key on the keyboard. The devices charm allows the user to interact with devices connected to a PC or a Windows mobile device. A user can quickly use this charm if managing displays or monitors, sending files to portable devices, or printing from eligible applications. The settings charm is where the personalization options, PC info, and control panel are housed. There are standard options available at the bottom of the charm. These are network settings, volume, screen brightness, notifications, power, and language. There is also a More PC Settings link that shows additional PC options to change. The options at the top of the settings charm may change based on the application that is being used when the settings charm is invoked. As an example, if using Internet Explorer and the settings charm is invoked, Internet Explorer's different setting options will be displayed. In addition to many new or improved features, Windows 8 also offers the Windows Store. The Windows Store is the marketplace that allows Windows 8 users to purchase and download applications. The Windows Store is accessed by clicking Store on the Start screen. In order to access the store, the user must have Internet access and a Microsoft account. The Windows Store offers thousands of free and paid apps that can be downloaded for use on a PC or a device using Windows RT. Two apps that have caught my interest from the Windows Store are Evernote Touch and Roku. Evernote Touch is a cross-platform application that is designed for note-taking and archiving. With Evernote, a user can save full web pages or web page excerpts, pictures, audio, and handwritten notes. The user organizes the notes into notebooks and can add tags, edit, add comments, search, or export as necessary. Evernote also allows for synchronization between devices. For example, if a note is created in Evernote Touch, it can be later read on a phone or tablet or even on another device via the web application. Evernote is extremely versatile and comes with a wealth of organizational tools. Roku is a streaming media player that provides content from selected partners via channels. A Roku device connects to the internet via Wi-Fi and supports both on-demand and live streaming. The Windows 8 Roku app allows the user to control their Roku player via their home network. It has the ability to automatically detect any Roku player on the network. You can view installed channels and launch them by clicking or tapping, and it has an on-screen remote control. This app is extremely useful for controlling a Roku from your PC or Windows 8 enabled table or phone. The only drawback to this app is that you can't actually watch programs from your Roku through the app. These are only 3 of the possibilities for Windows 8. The new operating system has a lot of new and updated features and applications to explore. It's a radical change from the previous versions of Windows, and like all change, will require some exploration to discover all of its uses. In time, new ways to work and play will be found through our familiarity with Windows 8. The Windows Store does offer thousands of applications to make life easier. There are significant visual changes in Windows 8 versus the previous incarnations of Windows. And there are lots of new and updated features and applications, some of which include the Windows Charms bar, the Windows Store, and many of the available applications. If you have any questions, I can be reached at davisc5525 at connect.durhamtech.edu. Thank you for listening to my presentation.